Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's vlog, I want to talk about something very important that I learned as I grew older. Not everyone deserves access to you. And honestly, this is something I strongly believe in. I'm a private person. Most of the time, I don't easily let people have access to me. Not unless they're very close to me, and most especially if I truly love and trust that person. Because for me, boundaries are important. I realize that not everything needs to be shared. Hindi lahat ng bagay kailangan sabihin sa iba. Hindi lahat ng nararamdaman mo kailangan ikwento. And sometimes, depending on the situation, silence protects your peace. The truth is, not everyone will understand us. May kanya-kanya tayong beliefs, opinions, and perspective in life. And because of that, there are moments when it's better to stay quiet instead of forcing people to understand us. Not everything needs an explanation. Not every opinion deserves a response. Naalala ko tuloy yung kantang ito.
You got to know when to hold up, know when to fold up, know when to walk away.
Minsan, wisdom din ang pagpili kung kailan magsasalita at kung kailan tatahimik. So, here are some lessons I want to share. 1. Protect your peace. Not everyone deserves access to your thoughts, emotions, and personal life. 2. Boundaries are healthy. Having limits does not make you cold. It means you respect yourself. 3. Silence can prevent unnecessary conflict. Sometimes, peace is more important than proving a point. And lastly, choose carefully who you open up to. Not everyone who listens truly understands. If you're someone who struggles with setting boundaries, I want you to know that it's okay to protect your space. It's okay to keep some things private. And it's okay to walk away from conversations or situations that disturb your peace. You don't owe everyone access to your life. Your energy, your peace, and your personal space are valuable. Protect them wisely. Be kind. Be respectful. But also learn when to stay quiet and when to step back. Because maturity is knowing that not every situation needs your reaction. So, protect your peace, protect your boundaries, and protect your heart. And if this message spoke to you today, I hope you continue sharing positivity and kindness wherever you go. Feel free to follow me on Facebook and share this vlog as well. So together, we can inspire and encourage more people through real-life lessons and experiences. Dahan-dahan lang. Aayos din ang lahat. Hindi ka nag-iisa. See you on my next vlog.